may make your decision.
Birds, Ernie, allow me to introduce you to Chaos.
Give me your fucking birds.
What? So, violence is the mindset. Do I understand this correctly?
Bramble, please. It was never a question with this party.
I
Glad
have
you're
to-
retesting birds.
I have to ask because I try to run the circus game Extinction Curse, and instead of the circus of everyday wonders, it has become the circus of everyday murders. So I have to be certain that the PCs get a chance to do things without violence. You think people who run a circus wouldn't go around killing everyone? All right.
I line up a headshot.